I'm glad you've decided to join me for my virtual coffee morning in aid of Target Ovarian Cancer's 50s Challenge. The hope is to raise awareness of the symptoms so that more lives can be saved. We're about to take a tour of my small village. As you can see, the bunting is up, and if you can imagine yourself as 5 inches tall, perhaps you can enjoy an imaginary tea or coffee with some biscuits and cakes. Let's start off with a small stroll along the street, then we'll open up and have a peek inside. This is the Station House pub, and as you can see we've got some tables outside there. You can enjoy a coffee there, I'm sure. And we'll go along here, and this is the tea room. And here's our poster, the symptoms of ovarian cancer. We'll go along now. This is the house. Got the bunting on it as well. At the top, and there's a chimney sweep, ready to sweep the chimney. Two little shops underneath the house. And that's the garden. Got a conservatory in the garden. We're going along towards the marketplace. See, the market's got the bunting up as well. And we'll start to go backwards along the path, and we'll have a look inside the buildings. We'll start with the pub. Go to the top. And here we have the owner's bedroom, living room, all in one. Adequate for their needs. And here we have the toilet. Bit dampness on the roof there, I think. I better speak to the handyman about that. And here we have the kitchen, the pub kitchen. This is where they make the food for the dining room. Cups of tea as well, and some cakes to go with your coffee. And the waitress is on her way through to the dining room. Where some customers are enjoying some tea and biscuits, and some are finishing their meal. We'll go down again, and we now have the lounge. See the match seller and a gambler. His cards in his hands. I don't know why the other one's left the table. Maybe he's not happy. He's going to lose, perhaps. There we go, into the small lounge. We're having some food in there today. Drinks or food, either will do for that part. Just so happens they're all eating today. Now we're going to go down to the basement. basement lounge. It's a nice little quiet place, just in case we want away from the noise of the music. Going across here, we've got a wedding party in today. Wedding cakes on the table there. That's the function dining room. And here we've got the dance party. Members of the wedding party. Having a little dance to the music. We've got the pianist in there. And a fiddle player. And they're all having fun dancing to that music. There we have the pub. Now we'll go to the coffee shop. No, it's the tea room actually. It's the tea room. I'll go and have a peek in the tea room. There we go. Waitress in there as well, ready to go up the stairs. Here we go. Go up the stairs. A few tables up there. Enjoying couples up there. Now to the house. We'll start at the top. Here we have the nursery. That's the nanny with the baby and the little girl. Move across to the hall. Another one of the children on their way up. And this is the bathroom. And the lady's brushing her hair at the mirror. Here we have the sitting room. We're having a cup of tea there. And other ladies doing some tapestry. Got a nice cosy fire on the go in there. To the dining room. We've got the cockatoo in the cage there. And a gramophone in case we want to listen to some music after the meal. And we're coming through the hall. Oh, the postie's been there, some letters lying. This is the kitchen. The house kitchen, and there's a poor maid forever on her knees cleaning up. There we go, that's the kitchen. And this is the master bedroom. The lady's getting ready to go out, I think. Go now down to the bottom of the house. Here we have the bakery and coffee shop. Lots of cakes in there. Table. Coffee shop, telephone on the wall, some fruit there as well if you want. Here's a baker. He's about to deliver some rolls to the bakery. There's a lady waiting, about to enter the dress shop, the hat and dress shop. I suppose it's called a milliner's. Lots of lovely things in here. That's the dress shop. Very pretty. Hats and dresses in there. There's another lady, probably on her way in. Oops, now I'll go to the conservatory. Well, I'll actually go to the garden first. Yeah, we're sitting having a cuppa. Grandma's having a cuppa with a gardener. And we're going to the conservatory. Take the lid off, the roof off, and have a peek in there. And there, we've got a couple of old ladies. They've settled for orange juice though. They must have had enough tea today. So we'll leave the conservatory and we'll head round to the market. Here's we are at the market. Got the bunting up there as well. It's a nice place to finish the tour, to be quite honest. Go round the market. Because after your coffee or your tea, you could have a little stroll round the market. Sure you'll find something to buy there. We've got a junk stall, there's one in every market. And we have some fruit there. Buy some fruit. Some plants there. Fish. Some lovely flowers. There we go. Lovely stroll round the market. And that ends the tour. I'm sorry if it was being a little bit shaky. Well, it's not my camera and I'm not an expert. Just trying to do the best I can. There we have the house, the pub, the tea room, all with the bunting up in preparation for this coffee morning. So thanks for taking the time to join me, and I hope you'll give a generous donation to this worthy charity. Let's raise awareness and get the information out there. Thanks very much for your time.